Stella, do you want to show people Bubby?
People Bobby?
This is Bubby. This is Stella's good friend Bubby. Want to show him? There you go. Bubby was kissing the camera. Ah. Where'd you go? Are you hiding? There you are! Whoa. Where'd that come from? Stella, do you want to say hi to anybody? You want to say hi to...
Mommy?
Say hi to Mommy, okay, and...
Mommy, Daddy.
Mommy and Daddy, okay. I'll be sure to send them a link.